Why do smart people make bad decisions? Why do we overthink, doubt ourselves, and still end up stuck? It's not because we're lazy. It's not because we lack intelligence. It's because we are confused. In Psychology of Confusion by Deep Trivedi, one powerful truth is revealed. Confusion is the biggest invisible problem in human life. And today, I'll break this entire book down for you. So by the end of this video, you'll think clearer, decide faster, and live better. Let's begin. Part 1. What is confusion? Confusion is not just not knowing something. It's worse than that. Confusion is when you think you know, but actually don't. For example, you think money will make you happy, but it doesn't. You think success will remove stress, but it increases it. You think you understand yourself, but your actions prove otherwise. This creates inner conflict, and that conflict leads to stress, anxiety, overthinking, wrong decisions. Most people are not living with clarity. They're living with assumptions, and assumptions create confusion. Part 2. Why confusion is dangerous. Confusion is dangerous because it feels normal. You don't even realize you're confused. You keep changing goals, doubting decisions, following others blindly. Imagine driving a car in fog. You might feel like you're moving forward, but you're actually going in the wrong direction. That's life with confusion. The book explains that confusion leads to 1. Wrong choices, 2. Broken relationships, 3. Lack of purpose, 4. Constant dissatisfaction. And the worst part? You blame circumstances instead of your unclear thinking. Part 3. Root cause of confusion. So where does confusion come from? According to Deep Trivedi, the root cause is lack of self-understanding. We don't know who we really are, what we truly want, why we behave the way we do. Instead, we live based on society's expectations, family pressure, social media influence. We copy others. We chase trends. We build a life that looks good outside, but feels empty inside. That's confusion. You are living someone else's idea of success, not your own. Part 4. Clarity versus confusion. Let's understand the difference. A confused person seeks approval, overthinks, changes decisions often, feels lost. A clear person knows their priorities, makes decisions confidently, accepts outcomes, feels peaceful. Clarity doesn't mean knowing everything. It means understanding what truly matters to you. When clarity comes, decisions become easy, stress reduces, confidence increases, because now you're not guessing anymore. Part 5. Biggest life mistakes caused by confusion. Let's talk about real-life mistakes. Because of confusion, people choose the wrong career, stay in toxic relationships, chase money but lose happiness, compare themselves constantly, and later they say, I don't know where I went wrong. But the truth is, they were confused from the beginning. They never questioned, why am I doing this? Is this really what I want? They just followed the crowd. Part 6. How to remove confusion. Now the most important part, how do you remove confusion? Here are powerful steps from the book. Thune, observe yourself. Start noticing your thoughts, your reactions, your decisions. Awareness is the first step to clarity. 2. Ask better questions. Instead of, what should I do? Ask, why do I want to do this? This reveals your true motives. 3. Reduce external noise. Too much information, more confusion. Limit social media opinions. Comparison. Clarity grows in silence. 4. Focus on truth, not comfort. Sometimes truth is uncomfortable, but clarity comes when you face reality, not when you avoid it. 5. Understand yourself deeply. The more you understand yourself, the less confused you become. Because now, you don't need validation. You don't need approval. You don't follow blindly. You live consciously. Conclusion. Here's the biggest lesson from this book. Your life problems are not outside. They are inside your confusion. Once confusion disappears, your path becomes clear, your decisions become strong, your life becomes meaningful. So stop rushing. Stop copying others. Start understanding yourself. Because clarity is not found outside. It is created within. And once you see clearly, you can never go back to confusion again. If this video helped you think differently, make sure to like, subscribe, and join Think Grow Hub for more life-changing book summaries. And comment below. Clarity if you're ready to take control of your life. See you in the next video.